lunch today. Go na! No, I'm super chilly. So we're already here. Ayan. So ito yung red. Hey Cravers, we're on our way to Hong Kong again. So this is another Hong Kong vlog. I'm just waiting for Junior and we're picking up all our friends. Tapos magdadrive kami papuntang airport. Ang flight namin is 9:10, but sarado pa yung check-in counters. So, I have a feeling na 6 o'clock pa siya magbubukas kasi wala yata siyang kasabay na mga other Hong Kong Express flights. We are figuring out kung paano i-lock yung luggage ko kasi all our belongings nasa isang bag siya. So, share lang kami sa isang luggage kasi very expensive yung luggage ni Hong Kong Express. Finally, so we got through immigration and security. So, nandito na kami sa Pags Lounge. Kaya lang we're so pagod, so upo muna kami. So the last time, nandun ako sa smaller na Pags Lounge. Now we're at the bigger one. Ito yung dessert station. They have fruits. We can make sangria. Ayan, muffins. Yay, we have the chicken siomai. And we have the mantao. We have rice, chicken kabsa. There's no roast beef. May pesto. There's the bread selection. There's the nachos. Okay, I got all my favorites. Ignore the announcement. So nachos. So round 2, I got a soup. So this is cream of mushroom. This is my first time trying this. Yung last time was shrimp bisque ata or something. I like this better. Yung mushroom soup, mga 5 crazy coins siya for me. I think we could make this better. Kuha tayo ng chicken dun sa Konji Station. Wait lang. Okay, ayan na ha. Na-resolve ko na yung chicken pesto issue. Wala kasi siyang protein, so it's a bit boring. So I added chicken. Let's try. So this is the cheese something melt. Nilagay ko siya sa oven for 2 minutes. It's hot. Looks delicious, no? Ang sarap. Para siyang ni-level up na cheese Swiss sandwich. If you're here, you have to try this. Ang sarap na to. Yeah, this is really cute. Ayan, may parang purple yung seats. Okay, so far so good. Para lang siyang yung mga typical budget airline. But I love the color. It's purple. On our way to the hotel, nag-Uber na lang kami. So, there's 5 of us. So, we got an Uber. Ano to, Junior? Uber XL ba? Uber XL. So, it cost almost $500. Tama ba? $500 halos? 485. So, roughly almost mga 3,500 pesos siya. Parang tig sa 700 pesos kami pag mag-share kami. Pero kasi, if we ride the train, halos ganun din naman babayaran namin. This is so much faster. Tapos super pagod na talaga kami. Okay, so we're here at iClub Wan Chai. It's very late. Check-in na kami. So let's do an empty room tour. And here, may pa-mirror. May microwave. Parang ang laki niya. Weird. May salamin. May closet. Ayan. Dito, ang laki ng room. Ang weird. This is big for Hong Kong. Ayan yung banyo. Ayan yung shower. Bet nila talaga yung mga pag-glass, no? So, ayan, may pa-couch kami. Medyo malaki yung room.
Wala din tao. Walang ilaw.
Okay, malaki siya pero walang ilaw. Ayan.
I need to turn on lang pala.
Okay, so ayan, may TV. Ang laki ng room natin, Junior. Tingnan natin kay na darling. Okay, so this is the twin whatever situation. Okay, so we're at the iClub Hotel. Ang laki ng room talaga namin. It's so fun. It has a view, pero I don't think you can see it tonight kasi madilim. Pero I think it's a pretty good view naman. Feeling ko lang. I just have a feeling. So tomorrow, let me share with you. Good morning, everyone. Excuse the bell. Sobrang kakagising ko lang. Hindi 8 hours studio ko kasi we really have to wake up early for the wedding. We have a view. Okay, so may simple breakfast daw dito. Tignan natin what's in store for us. Wow, everyone's here. Good morning. So we have bread. We have bata. Strawberry jam. Ay, ang dami. May pastries. Kasama yung pastry. Patay gutom pala. May toaster. Sa coffee machine. Ito yung water filling station. Naku, kasi ba't bumili pa tayo kahapon eh?
Hindi ko na-delay, no?
Actually, Okay, so we have a croissant here. Tinost ko na lang siya sa toaster para mas mainit siya. I'm eating a croissant. Yan, so nag-book na kami ng Uber. $61 siya from iClub. Papunta kami sa Cotton Tree Drive. I think magpipictures lang naman kami. And then, our friend Bernadette will get married. Tapos, wala na. Hindi ko na alam kung ano gagawin namin. Tambay siguro kami. We're going to Hong Kong Park. If you're going to Hong Kong, you need the Jisoo Life. Sobrang init. Tapos, we need to look for our companions. Again, it's a vibe. Ayan, may giant fountain. Tapos may paganyan. May mga pillars.
Yes, free na po.
So I think, this is a great free place to visit.
Yeah,
so we're already here. Ayan. So ito yung registry. Ayun yung bride. We're waiting for our turn. Ayan, everyone is, Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life is life. We're having lunch here at Lokcha. It's already afternoon tea technically, so this is the menu. Ay, go ate, ano yan? Ito yung menu. Siyempre, umorder lang kami ng mga dim sum, ganyan.
Dalawan yun sa
Okay, this is my chrysanthemum.
Oo nga, pagtapatin na.
So, not all tea are made the same. Mas mga shala yung iba. May parang paso pa na Ano yan, Lenny? This is the bean curd roll.
Yung sabi mo amoy sampagita.
Sampagita. Yeah, we're on our way to Hyatt Centric. So, actually, magtatram kami dapat. Pero, ayun, punong-puno yung mga tram. Tapos hindi namin mahanap yung tamang tram for some reason. Hindi siya dumarating. So nag-taxi na lang kami. So far, 46 na yung fare namin. Pero pak, what's $46 anyway? Just we're here. So yung fare namin sa taxi is 60. Magkano sa inyo? Hello! Magkano taxi nyo?
57.
Ay, mas mura sa kanila. Sa amin, 60.
Saan tayo?
Ano?
Saan tayo?
Farmhouse, yung nandun
Farmhouse po dito po.
Okay. Hello! Ready na po ako nung kumain itong umiikot. Ready at the buffet. So, ayan. May baked salmon. May confit. Yan. May ravioli. Samo! So, may mga pa-fresh seafood dito. Tapos dito may mga drinks. Peach. Ano yung nasa kabila, Lenny? Lemon? Yuzu. Yuzu, bet. So, yung roast beef muna yung itatry natin. Sarap. Ito, ibang cut siya ng steak. Mas masarap yun. Parang pesto yata yung ravioli. Sarap. So, I made my own sangria.
Like, hindi,
Cheers!
yung iba lagay mo dun sa...
Meron nga sa Johnson Road.
Oh, yun.
On our way to get breakfast. Sobrang windy today. Sana po wag kami bagyuhin. So, nag-tram lang kami. And it's just me and Rochelle. So, medyo majingay. Pupunta kami sa Chongheng Cafe para kainan yung favorite breakfast ko. Si Rochelle, hindi daw siya nagugutom. So, baka umorder lang siya ng drinks. Kung hindi siya papalayasan. Ayan, ito yung menu. Ayan, meron ding mga ganito. Mas mura siya pag after lunch kasi may hot tea na siya. Coffee, ganun. I got the Hong Kong milk tea. Satisfying as usual. Ang sarap ng milk tea nila dito. Si Richelle, she got coffee milk tea. Oh! Coffee nga siya. Mas lasa ko yung coffee than the milk tea. So if you're a milk tea lover, milk tea talaga. Pero kung gusto mo ng kape, ayan. Mamaya na ako mag-coffee siguro sa hotel. Hintay ko lang yung food. Finally, matitikman ko na naman to. After so long, makakain ko na ulit tong pineapple bun. May egg pa ba siya? Ayun o, maganda parati talaga yung egg niya. Ooh. So, we're going to Bakehouse Wanchai. Walang pila. But, I'm hoping, kaya walang pila, na kahit walang pila, meron pa rin yung tarts. Wala na yata, Richelle. They still have egg tarts. House kami ni Richelle. Okay, we're having lunch at Joy Inn. Gusto daw kasi nilang medyo traditional Hong Kong food. So, yan. Siksikan kami here. Ayan. So, oo, diba? So, na-dictate kami. Isang barbecue pork, dalawang crispy pork, roast goose. Ito yung barbecue. Ang dami pala, no? Ang bilis. Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Ayan yung goose. Our lunch today, medyo feast siya. Oo, baka dalawa na yan. Go na lang! No, I'm super chill.
No. Yeah.
Jorel, masarap yung goose this time. Hindi siya dry. Okay, finally, nakasakay na rin kami ng cab. Pero sobrang hirap. Like, sobrang tinatanggihan kami ng lahat. Di namin alam kung dahil ba ang dami namin or what. Tapos, since we're staying here sa Wanchai area, I think lang na mas expensive yung taxi kasi parang tatawid kami ng bridge. Pero malalaman na lang natin yan pag pumatak yung metro. So, hindi namin sure. So, we'll see. We're going to K11 Art Mall para, fresh, may aircon, ganyan. Di pa sila umiinom ng tubig. Tiniis po nila yung uhaw nila kasi hindi sila bumili ng drinks sa restaurant. We're having coffee here. Urban Coffee Roaster. Roaster kami. Medyo, it's a tight squeeze and with Hong Kong view. So, nandito ulit ako sa Hong Kong Museum of Art. Again, another free thing to do when you're in Hong Kong. So, pag naiinitan kayo dyan sa Avenue of Stars, pasok na lang kayo dito sa museum. Open to until 4 or 5 p.m. So, yan. May mga paupuan kami. Ayan. So, free naman yung mga upuan. Kukunin mo lang siya. Tapos, ayan. Mag-view ka lang siya. Ayan. Medyo may tsakang boat lang sa harap namin.
Kasi hindi siya straight mirror, no?
Pero carry. Okay, so now we're at Mongkok. Tapos na kami mag-photo shoot. Here are the pictures. Show ko na lang sa inyo. Super achieved talaga ng mga pictures namin. Pero we had to go back from TST to the other island. So we're now in Mongkok. Tapos super pagod namin. We want drinks. So order muna kami sa Hollywood Cafe. So magdi-drinks muna kami sa Hollywood Cafe. Okay, we ordered some noodles. Ano tawag dito sa noodles?
Hindi ko alam pero para sa hofan.
Okay. Sa hotel lobby na ako. I'm just waiting for everyone. So, sila Sam, they just bought water. Kasi sobrang talagang convenient ng hotel namin. So, if you can see, there's a welcome in front of us. Tapos, there's a 360 Mart. Yung 360 Mart, you could get wine and stuff. Dapat pala binidyuhan ko. So, ayun, doon ako bumili ng wine for sangria tonight. Tapos, I'm just waiting for my other two friends, si Richelle, saka si Jolo. They're going down na rin. Then, we're meeting Lenny and Junior sa KFC. We're having KFC for dinner tonight. Actually, super walking distance lang yung KFC from hindi naman pala super. Mga 200 meters lang siya. But, super tamad namin. Magta-tram kami. Tram life! Ayan. So, next station na kami bababa.
Kasi parang feeling ko layo ng station.
Ayun, medyo malayo siya. Ako nilakad na doon.
Akala ko naman kasi sabi mo, bababa
Pero
na
malapit
tayo.
siya. Isang station lang. Okay, so yun, magki-KFC kami. Actually, si Ben kasi yung may gusto dito sa KFC. So yun, pinagbigyan namin siya. And, so lahat sila umorder. Hindi si Rachel kahit individual na. Okay, so this is what I got. I got a chicken, tapos may egg tart. And I got baked rice. So wala kasing baked rice sa atin, diba? So I also have drinks. Di pwede sabihan ko ano yung drink. It's the baked rice. Ang ingat. Medyo mushy yung baked rice. I would skip this. Flavorful naman. May chicken naman siya na. Looks good. Hindi siya masyadong crunchy. Pero ang sarap. Maalat. Ay, fuck. KFC egg tart. Tignan natin kung anong level niya sa bakehouse.
Kahapon wala siyang sauce na ano ba? Yung support, yung black tea.
Ang sarap din. Pero alam niyo, $2 na lang kasi yung difference. Bakehouse na. So, bakehouse pa rin. We're here at Cafe de Coral. So, naubusan na kami ng options. Gusto sana namin mag-sukiya, pero it's super puno. So, Cafe de Coral na lang. Tapos, syempre, nainggit ako sa order ni Sam. Look, baked pork chop siya. $49 lang. So, ayan yung kay Rachel. Hindi siya as appetizing looking as yung kay Sam. Lagay mo na lang ako here. Okay, so matatry ko na yung kay Sam na baked whatever. Ang sarap!
Rice.
Yung kay Rachel hindi rin ano yung tomato.
Ang sarap! Pero hindi ko siya kaya ubusin mag-isa.
Yung, di ba?
Ito yung barbecue.
Tinuro ko pa nga.
Okay, beef yung sa kanya. Parang nakakapaso, Rachel. Sige, sige.
Malambot naman yung beef. Mukha lang naman siyang
Ang harap din sa kanya.
Kasi gravy eh.
steak. Parang beef steak.
Parang siya yung mga roast beef sa atin na whatever. Harap! Okay, next time, mag-Cafe de Coral ako. Hindi na ito yung order ko. Though, masarap naman yung crispy whatever. Mas masarap yung mga baked rice. Winner! We're on our way home. So, nag-bus na lang kami. Ito, $41 lang. Okay, we're finally here at the airport. Ang gate namin is 210 Hong Kong Express. Sadly, there are only 3 options. There's a ramen restaurant. Tapos may isa nagsiserve ng mga pizza. Gusto ko sana ng coffee dun sa gate ko dati sa Cebu Pacific. Pero wali. Ang meron lang Starbucks. And gusto ko talaga ng coffee. So, mukhang magka-coffee tayo dito sa Starbucks. I got the, bun na may butter. Pinainit ko siya. Tapos, it looks like pineapple bread kasi. So, parang feeling ko masarap.
Hindi appeal.
Ano?
Hindi appeal.
Ang sarap. Mas masarap pa rin yung sa Chongqing Cafe, pero pweds na. Ano to? Choco egg tart. No, 27? Hindi nakaka-happy. Okay, I got a vanilla latte. Buti tinikman mo muna. Sarap naman. Love it. Okay.
Our crew will provide life jackets for children and
We're now about to take off. Sobrang saya. Ang duwag talaga ng flight namin ngayon. So, ayan. Meron kaming seat na in the middle. Wali kaming katabi. May mga seats na walang tao at all. Tapos, ayun. Parang feeling ko talaga sobrang konti ng tao sa flight na to. Even yung mga cabin baggage, wala rin siya na laman. Anyway, let's talk about the pros and cons of Hong Kong Express. Thank you. So, yun. So, Hong Kong Express, I think, enumerate muna natin yung mga pros. sobrang cheap ng mga flights. For last minute flights, we only paid 5,000 pesos. By last minute, siguro for us na to na last minute, siguro mga 3 weeks into the flight namin siya binili. Pero nakabili pa rin kami ng 5,000 pesos na flight. Take note though na wala siyang check-in baggage. And yung pwede mo lang dalhin sa flight is just a small handbag. Another pro is sobrang on time ng lahat. Boarding, take-off, arrival, even yung paglabas ng luggage namin sa carousel, it was very fast. Now, let's talk about the cons. I think yung pinaka-con for me is parang nabudol kami dun sa luggage namin. Hindi namin alam na meron palang ultralight option kasi sa ibang site kami nag-book. We booked via AirAsia. Nagkataon na pag ultralight luggage ka lang, wala kang cabin baggage. Ang pwede mo lang dalhin is a small handbag na kasya sa under the seat. It's 15 by 10 inches. So, maliit talaga yon. Another con is medyo masikip yung legroom. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan. As a long-legged girly, hirap na hirap talaga ako. Like, hindi na talaga ako halos nakatulog. Actually, hindi talaga ako natulog at all. Sobrang sikip kasi talaga. Tapos, medyo weird din yung tray table. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ay, bawal pala. Mag-take off pala. Baka mapagalitan ako. Anyway, yung tray table. Pag binaba mo siya, nandun na siya halos sa lap mo. So, medyo weird. Yun. Pero that's not really an issue naman. Will I fly Hong Kong Express again? I think given a choice, I would choose other airlines. Pero, pag wala na talaga and I'm looking for a low-cost carrier, eto na siguro pipiliin ko. Pag wala na talagang choice, it's not so bad. And I'll make sure to book via Hong Kong Express na site talaga. Para hindi yung ultralight yung mabook ko. This concludes my 4-day trip in Hong Kong na technically 3 days lang. I only spent 7,000 pesos na pocket money. Para mostly food lang siya. I didn't go to any attractions at all. I don't know if this helps anyone. Pero yun. Pero pumunta naman tayo sa mga free attractions. Now, let's talk about the pits and peaks of the travel. I think yung pits ko when it comes to this travel was yung day 1, yung flight namin going here. It was very late. I think I slept around 1 or 2 a.m. na and I had a wedding to attend to the next day. So for me, hindi enough sleep yon. Pero I think yun na yung lowest of lows moments ko. As for my peak, I think, syempre besides sa wedding, masaya yung wedding. Pero ang pinaka-peak talaga for me was going around yung sa mga museum and Avenue of the Stars. Yung nagpipicture na ako with my friends. Here are the photos. Sobrang tagal na nung last travel namin na complete kami. And I don't think naman na parang magagawa namin to again immediately with our busy schedules. Tapos yung ibang friends nakatira abroad. So when we were together, sobrang fun, sobrang saya ko nun. I think that was the peak for me. Kahit nakakapagod mag-shoot, I was so happy that we were complete.